Turkey, dominated 12 months ago by a certain Frenchman in a certain French team. A 1-2 for Citroën. Sébastien Ogier winning ahead of teammate Esa-Pekka Lappi. What a difference a year makes. Lappi now with eSports, struggling for pace on Estonia's ultra-fast tracks, but confident the rough, tough, rocky roads of Turkey will be more suited to the Fiesta.
Well, we had a really strong rally last year over there. I'm sure this rally suits better Ford as well than the faster rallies, so we should be more competitive over there for sure. It needs endurance as well, and you need to be a bit smart from the head to drive there. It just gets really rough very easily, and there is so many loose rocks which are huge.
Turkey then high on attrition. It calls for a sensible head as much as skill and speed, as Thierry Neuville can testify. The Hyundai star has shown good speed on the rough roads, but fallen foul of the rocky terrain each of the past 2 years. After back-to-back rallies without scoring a point, the Belgian desperately needs things to go his way in Turkey to stand any chance of competing for the driver's title this year.
With Hyundai, we've always been very strong in terms of speed in Turkey, but never really were able to secure that good place on the top or the top place in the podium. So hopefully this year we're going to be able to carry on our speed until the end of the rally and bring home a victory in Turkey for the team.
Thierry Neuville desperate to get his title challenge back on track in Turkey, where once again Toyota young gun Kalle Rovanperä will be continuing his rally education.
Turkey will be again a new challenge for me. It's first time with this car in the most roughest condition. Of course Mexico is a bit the same, but not similar. And it will be nice to see how these cars and tires and everything are holding up on these conditions, and it will be tricky for me to judge the speed and how much I need to push.
A much more twisty rally. Obviously it's going to be very, very hot there, very rough on the car as well. So quite a different characteristic of event, and it's going to be a real challenge for us.
Turkey generally, of course, the roughest of the season. There is the heat, it's the factor of the roughness, it's the long stages, average speed is very low, so it's definitely really demanding for the drivers, for the cars, for the cooling, for the tires, for everything. So it's by demanding, it's the highlight of the season.
Watch WRC Plus on all devices, WRC Plus All Live.